My name is Quentin Ward, and I serve as Assistant Principal of Instruction at Clarkson High School. My responsibilities include serving as the administrator, supervising the Exceptional Ed Department and the Math Department. I supervise instruction, maintain our master schedule, and facilitate the management of grades posted in the teacher's grade book. I am so excited as we prepare to launch the 2020-2021 school year because we are getting ready to make history. You heard me, we're getting ready to make history. This is the first time in history that Clarkson High School will be launching our school year 100% virtually. We look forward to this experience as we support teaching and learning for all of our students. Just for a moment, I would like to share with you the modified schedule that students will be following when we launch our school starting Monday. Here at Clarkson High School, we follow a 4x4 block schedule. But due to our modified schedule, we will have a modified 4x4 block schedule. That means each child will have 4 different classes. As you can see on the screen, instruction will take place Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Friday. Our schedule is as follows: 7:45 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. We ask that students eat breakfast because you know breakfast is the most important meal of the day. And then from 8:30 to 8:45 a.m. we'll be doing a technology check where students will be putting on their material, their Chromebooks, logging in and making sure that they have access to the platform that their teachers will be presenting instruction. From 8:45 to 9 a.m. we'll be engaged in a school pride and announcement. From 9 a.m. to 9:40 a.m. we will engage in extended learning time. And then formally at 9:45 a.m. the first period of the day will begin. Again, parents, please note that instruction will begin during the first 30 minutes of each course. Period 1 formally begins at 9:45 a.m. and extends to 10:30 a.m. We will do another technology check from 10:30 a.m. to 10:40 a.m. and then period 2 will begin from 9:40 a.m. to 11:25 a.m. We will have another pause at 11:25 to 11:35, and third period will promptly begin at 11:35 to 12:20. One more break from 12:20 to 1:05, and then we'll begin fourth period, which starts at 1:05 and ends at 1:50. Parents, please be advised, live synchronous instruction will take place for each teacher's class during the first 30 minutes of each class period. So it's very important that you're logged in and ready to receive this rich instruction that has been prepared for you. With all of the technology and tools that we have available to us, we welcome this opportunity to expedite the advancement of your child's academic success. If there's anything that my name is Mr. Ward, if there's anything that I can personally do to support you or your students' learning needs, do not hesitate to email me, and I'll be more than happy to do everything that I can to make sure that your needs are met. And we're looking forward to a wonderful school year. Welcome to the Angora Nation. Go Clarkson.